latest Nike Air Superfly collaboration gets a vibrant makeover through the Japanese label TOMO KOIZUMI, widely recognized for extravagant ruffles, floral themes, and striking colors in celebrity dresses. Following early 2000s performance design cues, this version showcases a bold black, photo blue, fierce purple and black palette with an iridescent finish across the upper. Wearers can personalize the look through velcro-assisted, interchangeable swooshes in 3 styles, while multicolored traction details under the sole add playful flair with green, orange, and purple tones. Even the packaging paper mirrors the same lively hues, tying the presentation together. The footbed proudly carries TOMO KOIZUMI branding, strengthening the designer's partnership with Nike Sportswear. Fans can look forward to this limited edition release on Saturday, September 20th, as official images reveal a sneaker that merges performance heritage with KOIZUMI's bold artistry in an eye-catching fashion.